Alright, we're about to separate and get the and get to the tree stands so we can go hunting. Alright, I'm in the tree stand set up. And it's quiet. I think I seen a baby deer or something already. But I see birds and stuff, squirrels. Here there's been a lot of deers. There's been 8-pointers, 6-pointers. That's what I'm mainly going for. It's a 6 or an 8. So I'll tune back in with you guys in a little bit. So I'm grunting to see if anything will come. Saying that the rut is probably just about started. Not seen anything yet, except for squirrels and birds. I'll let you guys know if I see anything. There's some squirrels out there at the corn. That's the corn. Right back there. So we're hoping to see something. Come in a little bit, hopefully. It's been pretty fun so far. Peaceful. And hopefully we get something, but I'll show you what I see. Alright, I got a question for everyone. Why do squirrels walking or whatever they do, walk, jump, whatever, sound so much like deer? Like, it's just quiet and then I hear something. And squirrels. And it sounds like a deer. I'm like, oh crap, there's a deer, but there wasn't. I'm hearing something pretty cool right now. There's an owl somewhere over here, that way. I'm hoping I may be able to see it or hear it, but I'll sit here with the phone on, recording, see if I can hear it, and you guys can. I've been sitting out here for a little while longer. It's gotten quiet. It is currently 3:36, so I leave dark at 5:45. So hopefully sometime in the next 2 hours we see something. But subscribe's the only thing I can think of what else to tell you. But you should. Well, I'm not having the best look over here. I just got sent a video of a 6-pointer on the same property, just at a different spot. It's back that way, or that way. It's just in that direction, I think. So hopefully possibly it'll get spooked or something and come here. Hopefully. Alright, it's been a little while. No deer. But the owl is back again. Now it's back there somewhere. So, like I've already told you, somebody here has seen deer. I don't know if the camera could hear that right now, or if the phone could hear that. But the owl just made another noise. I thought I said a deer, but yeah, it's currently 4:42 now, so hopefully something comes in the next hour, because that's all I have left before it's the crap deer. This deer is grunting. There's another bug. There's a doe right there. Holy cow. They're running everywhere. There's two does there. That one buck is running those does all over this hill. If I were to grunt, he would definitely be coming. I'm just waiting for the green light to shoot. This buck is chasing this deer all over the hill. You can hear him right now. The reason I didn't shoot is because, well, the does are going to bring in more bugs, and possibly bigger bugs, and that was probably just like a 4 or a small 6, so I'm holding out until something else, but I'm shaking, because that was 3 or 4 does and 1 bug, and they all just came out of nowhere. Well, the hunt's about over. Nothing's game. It's starting to get dark, as you can tell. But hopefully before it gets dark, something comes. Because if it really gets anything comes in the next like 15 minutes, I'll shoot it. But anything after that, I probably won't. But I'll make a video.